Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. I just want to give a quick apology for missing a few uploads this week. We had a power outage and it kind of just put a, kind of a stop to the uploads I had this week. And, you know, I could have went over to Starbucks and tried uploading from there, but I didn't want to wait there all day, especially because of the upload speed. So I waited till the power got back on, came back, worked on some videos, and, we're back. So today we decided it'd be a good day to give you a walking tour. We were in Menands, Loudonville area, and we walked down Ward's Lane. Dutch Village Apartments, Park Lane, and Park Hill Apartments are here. You know, a nice little area. You know, I always drive over here and take a little walk once in a while. Lots of crosswalks, lots of sidewalks, things like that. This one little area, though, there wasn't, and I didn't really like that very much, but, you know, I guess it is what it is. You just got to be careful of the cars, but, you know, let us know what you think in the comments below, and you know, it's a great time to get out and get some exercise. But if you don't like being outside and you like being in the gym, I have an affiliate link below and you can sign up for Planet Fitness. Like I said, shameless plug for the affiliate link below. But anyway, all right, we will see you at the end of the video. Peace.